Sunday, March the 3rd, 2024. We just done a little bit of a review of the insulation we put in the van. Now we're going to do a bike ride. We haven't been on the Rad Mini folding in a couple of months, I don't guess. So we're going to make sure to see if the batteries are charged up and everything. Need to clean it up. That little Mikau, whatever, mirror has served very well so far. So let's turn this thing on. See what we've got going on here. Apply the brake. Turn the switch on. Turn it on. Okay, still have 5 bars. Realize it has not been driven or been on in a while. So we've got it in 6th gear. We've got pedal assist 1. It'll show us the wattage we use. It'll show us the speed, the mileage, all that good stuff here. Oh, I need to get the pedals out, don't I? Okay, apply the brakes so if this thing decides to take off, it won't go anywhere. Turn it back off. There we go. Let's get these pedals out. If we're going to do any pedaling, we need to get the pedals out, don't we? Oh, and doesn't it have a cute little bell? Oh, man. Okay, we'll start off by pedaling. Get the kickstand up. Pedal assist 1. Shouldn't really need any pedal assist. I think I heard roofers working down here. I say using no watts. There's some concrete going in down there. $12 miles an hour, 11.6, 12.2. Okay, let's use throttle. Using throttle, 750 watts. $13.8 miles an hour. I don't get this thing up much over 12, 14 miles an hour. I think I've had it about 20, 22. The range seems to be, depending on pedaling, how much you pedal, and you can get as much or as little exercise as you want with these things. Around 40, somewhere between 35 and 50 miles. Use a little throttle and pedal. About 400 watts, drops back down to 69 watts. Okay, no pedal assist. Not using any watts with no pedal assist. Still in gear 6. Drop down to 4. Only a minute for it to drop down to 5, but drop down to 4. So the little Mikau Mirror works very well. $10 miles an hour, no pedal assist. We're just coasting right now. Still have 5 bars of battery. Now coming back up the hill, I think we'll have it in pedal assist too. 6th gear, I think. Power steering pump noise, sort of like my van. Okay, we've gone back to 6th gear. I'm not sure how this camera is positioned, whether it's good view, bad view, or whatever. I'll just turn my head up and down so y'all can see. Go to pedal assist 2, 6th gear. Using 137 watts. And we're going to use throttle. This is a pretty good hill, and I don't have throttle but about halfway, so I'm not needing it completely. Using 380 watts. Again, pedal assist 2. Leg muscles are starting to warm up. So this is the Rad Mini Folding. If I get a bike rack, I'd rather have one that's a little bit larger with the 4-inch tires instead of these 3.2s. And now complete throttle, no pedaling. .5 miles an hour. Accelerates pretty good. Got up to about 16 miles an hour. Okay, let's go to pedal assist 3. 364 watts. We're not going to go all the way down to the end of the subdivision to the right. We'll go across the street. And then we'll head back. We need to get the van organized and rearranged, cleaned up, get everything packed back up. So I'm moving my head up and down because I don't know what the angle of this headgear is. Hard to get it right. Now we've still got this on pedal assist 3, and this is a steeper hill, so it should work out pretty good. Give it a little throttle. Comes up the hill very easily. Still in 6th gear. What are y'all doing down there? Do you know what you're doing? Fencing, fence guys. Trees are budding out. Okay, we're going to pull in here. We're going to reorganize and straighten out the van. Load everything back up. You can figure out what we want to do from there. Okay, we're going to turn this thing off, keep our brake on. Turn it off, that way it can't jump and go. All right. Come on, helmet, get off. Okay, got the helmet off. And let's see what angle we got. Okay, well here we go. In case the angle was bad. Red mini folding. It's dirty. So you just flip that up, fold it. Flip this down, and then you can fold the handlebars down. I think it weighs about 60 pounds, 63 pounds, somewhere in that range. And there you go. It has a light for the front, but with it folded up and everything, the light seems to get in the way. So, and it has shock absorber suspension. So, all in all, it works out pretty good. I have a basket for it too, but haven't put it on. Okay, well, let's wrap this up. And then we'll get this other video. We'll go ahead and get this video up and then organize the van and get the other video uploaded.